Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a domain name extension or a domain name um, subdomain. So what you're going to need to do is the first thing, actually, you have to log into your cPanel account. So I assume you guys already know how to log into your cPanel account. If not, then ask your web hosting provider to actually go ahead and show you how to actually do that, or get the login from your cPanel from your web hosting provider. Okay. Automatically, you'll get that through your mail when you sign up, like what we do at OptimalGeek.com. We actually automatically send the users login. All right, once they sign up. So you just have to scroll down. Once you get into cPanel, you just have to scroll down all the way where it says subdomain. Now, if you can't find it, normally you can just type it in right there at the search bar, sub, and it will come out right there. The domains and subdomain. You're gonna go ahead and select the subdomain, and then in this area right here, you just have to select which domain name you want to do actually um, create. So for example, if you have multiple domains, then you select the one that where you want to create the subdomain. And this one right here, I'm gonna remove this just for demonstration, so that way I can recreate it again. Um, go back. So on the subdomain name, you could just type in whatever subdomain you want. So in this case, I'm gonna say staging because what I really like to do is if I already have a website on my domain name uh, root directory on the main part, I don't want the developer to actually kind of like put that thing in that area because Google likes to crawl on every single pages, and it might come out and you'll have like dead links later on, and it could be like really bad once you like deleted that subdomain, that like folder later on once the website is already transferred to the main page. So I'm gonna go ahead and put staging. In your case, this is also for people that actually wanted to put like forum.yourdomain.com. Um, in my case, for development purpose, I'm also putting I'm going to put the staging rather than forum because I'm not trying to create a forum. But you could do anything you want on it. So technically, you can upload a new site or forum or just for a test or development area. All right, so as you notice right there in the public HTML forward slash, you automatically fill in the uh, folder where all your website is going to be installed or like uploaded to, under staging when you go into like your public HTML area. Okay, so right here, this is the button where you actually go ahead and click it. All right, so that's a button right there. So now you already created the staging that hostbabe.com, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys on the second video how to actually access this area where you can upload your website. So normally we'll go back to this area right here at file directory, and stay tuned. Please subscribe, like, and turn on your notification bell. I'll see you in the next video.